lot to celebrate today. And let me start by congratulating everyone at Ponce Financial Group on your 5-year anniversary as a public company. This is a major milestone, and we couldn't be prouder to celebrate with you. In January of this year, Ponce Financial Group announced the conversion and reorganization with PDL Community Bancorp. And as a result of the stock offering, Ponce Financial Group is now fully publicly traded.
Thank you, Shamini. And thank you, NASDAQ. On behalf of our board of directors and our team, we tell you that we're very pleased to have partnered with NASDAQ since we did the first step mutual stock conversion.
Will allow us to greatly enhance our capacity to serve our communities. Communities made up largely of immigrants and people of color that have been so disparately affected by the health and wealth gap that continue to exist today. We focus on the underserved, but not the underserving communities. We emphasize housing and services to the underbanked, often with partnerships with community-based organizations and other CDFIs.